Hitachi AC. Smart cooling, effortless comfort. Experience the future of cooling with Hitachi AC's advanced air conditioning technology. Designed for cool, clean and comfortable air, Hitachi AC comes with innovative features such as Ice Clean. It auto-cleans your AC coil and takes away all the dust, bacteria, viruses and molds at a push of a button. Bye-bye to maintenance worries. Enjoy fresh and clean air every day. Hitachi AC's Expandable Plus technology auto-adjusts and auto-expands the cooling capacity as per the load requirement for effortless comfort. Also, the long air throw feature ensures uniform cooling across the room. And with its 4-way swing feature, Hitachi AC disperses air in all 4 directions, leaving no hot spots, just the chill vibes. Moreover, to set the mood for the after party, Hitachi's Smart View display shows the temperature with precision, which you can dim or turn off as per your comfort and ambience. It also performs self-diagnosis and displays error codes for the first time. Right service. But why stop there? Take control of your comfort anytime, anywhere with Hitachi AirCloud Go app for its Wi-Fi enabled ACs. It's easy and fun not only to adjust but also to schedule with your smartphone, voice assistant or smart speakers.